Dear friends, warm greetings from the Department of Mission and Evangelism of the Synod of the Church of South India. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce another important initiative taken by the Mission Department of the Synod, COVID-19 Magma 20. As we all know, we are in the pandemic situation. The first wave was over. That is what we hear from the government. The second wave was very severe. And when you compare the first wave with the second wave, more deaths were reported. Sir, we have been also given an alert that there is going to be a third wave. This is the context in which we serve. There are more than 3,000 missionaries working in different parts of our country, supported by the various dioceses of the Church of South India. As you all know, the Church of South India is a missionary church. It was born by the great efforts of the missionaries. The missionary activity started even during the first century, but it became very active only after the arrival of the Protestant missionaries who landed at Trankabar, the missionary Ziegenbalg. We are very thankful to God for helping the mission department to motivate the believers during this panic time. I just want to express my gratitude to the Most Reverend Dharmaraj Rasalam, the moderator of the Church of South India, and the Most Right Reverend Reuben Mark, the deputy moderator, Advocate Fernandez Ratnaraja, the General Secretary of the Church of South India, and Dr. Vimal Kumar, the Treasurer, for extending a lot of support to the mission department. I am also very thankful to Reverend Maxim John Achan, who is the Director of the Department of Mission and Evangelism, going around the entire Church of South India, meeting the bishops, meeting the mission directors, encouraging people to be very active in the missionary work, and also he is going and meeting all the missionaries wherever possible. Dear friends, I would like to give a brief introduction about COVID-19 Magma 20. We all are under a panic, stress, frustration, anxiety, and so many things. So the entire community is very much psychologically affected. But it is more with the missionaries. Missionaries, their main work is to meet people, go around and meet people, which is not possible because of the COVID-19. We are all experiencing lockdown. The missionaries are confined to their places. And it is a great challenge for the missionaries because they themselves face anxieties because of lack of medical facilities in the places where they work. They need a lot of support during this time, very difficult and uncertain time. So I am grateful to the mission department, particularly Achan, for taking this initiative to motivate the missionaries, to give them some kind of hope, encouragement, inspiration to face any disaster, any pandemic. So it is the missionaries who should be supported, and the mission department is doing a lot of things to support our missionaries during this panic time. We also very sincerely remember the great sacrifice done by the missionaries who came to our country. Because of their hard work and sacrifice, you see the Church of South India existing as a witness to the result, fruit of our missionaries and their hard work. Church of South India is a missionary church. So may I request all the congregation to remember our missionaries in your prayers. Support them, encourage them, extend your all good intention and support the mission department. And we request you not only to support, but also you also involve in the missionary activities wherever you live. You are also a local missionary. You are also a missionary of your church. Let us all involve in the missionary activities because the gospel came to India in the first century and still we have a long way to go in taking the message and reaching people with the hope of love. And I take this opportunity to thank all the bishops of various dioceses and all the directors of mission and evangelism of all the 24 dioceses of the Church of South India. We remember you all in our prayers. And as we go on in our faith journey, in a very difficult, very uncertain times, may God continue to bless us. May God continue to strengthen us as He has promised in Matthew chapter 28 in the Great Commission. All powers is given to me. Go forth, preach the gospel to all nations. It is by His power, it is by His wisdom, it is by His protection, it is by His mercy, grace. We all have to go and say, Jesus is the Lord. We thank you for the initiative COVID-19 Magma 20, which should give a good result, encouraging missionaries in many levels. Psychologically, sometimes we have to provide their needs. Financially also we have to support our missionaries. I request the church, great church, the Church of South India is a great church, stands for the evangelism. The global church is simply looking at Church of South India. They are wondering because it has been a great mighty witness in our own motherland, India. India is facing a lot of challenges. Of course, the gospel is from the first century. The gospel has been a great blessing and met with so many challenges in the history, in the past. But our God is a God of the living, and our God is a resurrected Christ. So let us go on. May I request you to remember the mission department in your prayers, particularly the initiative taken by the department, COVID-19 Magma 20, may be a great blessing to our missionaries. My sincere thanks to all the officers of the Synod, our respected moderator Dharmeni. My sincere thanks to the mission directors. May God bless you.